Hey fam, welcome to this week's episode of Tuesday Seeds. Today we'll be discussing the importance of developing our next generation. So please stay tuned.
And when you grow food, your children, when you teach your children to grow their own food, they really appreciate the crops. And this is something we have to do better, especially here in America. We really need to have an appreciation, a better appreciation for what God gives us from His land, from His earth, from His trees and plants and vines and bushes, right? So this is one of the first reasons that our children need to learn about agriculture. So, like I said, I work with some children, and I really like working with children. They like to get their hands dirty. They like to know that they're part of a team, and they really enjoy working. They like working outside. And so this is the second point I wanted to talk about. Why we should be teaching our children agriculture is the work ethic. You know, when I was young, my father used to get home from school, do my homework, and then I worked with him. And even though we were in the city, he had his landscaping, we had our yard. We always had something to do, right? But he used to always say, man, here, grab that shovel, man. We got some work to do. And we were little, so we just did the work. Over time, you begin to see that some of the children in my neighborhood didn't quite have a good work ethic. They were murmuring and complaining. And then you could see over time, they never got nothing done, right? Never got anything done, because the work ethic wasn't there. Agriculture teaches you to appreciate a work ethic. You got to go do some work. You get it done. You got to make some beds. You got to go harvest. You respect the time, the seasons. And so you also respect tools. And so this is a big thing. We've lost touch with old-fashioned work, sweating outside, feeling like you did a good day's work. And so this is one of the other reasons why we need to get our children into agriculture, and us too, right? We've lost the appreciation of being outside. Being inside when we were young was like a punishment. You can't go outside. You want to see some sad kids, you couldn't go outside. Today, children don't even want to go outside. We gotta change that, y'all. So that's one of the second points. All right, now.